Hello all, welcome to Endurance Engineering Academy. Vinod here. Okay, so recently we just published a video on Gate XE paper. Okay, so I hope you remember that. You've already seen that video. Also, most of them would have already seen that video. And in the comment section, I received many queries regarding whether this IIT will take Gate XE, whether this NIT will take this Gate XE, etc., etc. See, actually, if you just think about it, if you just directly go to IIT website and if you search for brochures, okay, if you search for the brochures, you will be finding out all the details. Okay, you'll be finding out all the details in that. But anyways, what I did here, I spent around some 2-3 hours only for collecting all the brochures of IITs only. Okay, of IITs only and NITI. Okay, NITI Mumbai. Okay, so only for these two, I didn't collected the brochures of all those, what is that, NITs and etc. Okay, so I collected only for IITs and NITI Mumbai. Okay, so for these two, I collected all the brochures and I just gone through all the brochures, and now I'm going to give you all the benefits. Okay, all the benefits of writing Gate XE paper for mechanical engineering students. I'm very sorry for other students. Okay, I'm not going to give this details with respect to other students, like any other students who's also preparing for XE. My ultimate aim is to clear cut guidance for mechanical engineering students, the students who has a degree in mechanical engineering, in BE mechanical engineering or BTech mechanical engineering. So for the students who is having degree in BE mechanical or BTech mechanical, if they write XE, okay, what are the different opportunities in IITs and NITs? Sorry, not NITs, NITI Mumbai. Okay, these are the two things which I am going to discuss. Regarding NITs, I am not including that because already this video will become, like, I hope that it will go more than 15 or 20 minutes because there was 7-8 IITs and also one NIT. So I don't want to increase the video length too much. If you want to know about opportunities or what are the department which they are taking in NITI, just spend some time. Okay, spend some time, around some 30 minutes you can spend, and you can collect some 2 or 3 brochures. See, you can collect some brochures, but you need to go through exactly in the brochure, check out eligibility criteria. Okay, in eligibility criteria you will be finding out all the details. Okay, right. So for NITs I'm not doing. So first, IIT Madras. Okay, one of my favorite institute because I belong to that. So my favorite institute, obviously in India. Okay, so now let us check it. Let us check out what are the opportunities are there. See, first of all, in aerospace there was some 14 seats. Okay, and this first slide is giving me all the details of number of seats which is available. Okay, so this total complete 2 papers. Okay, so I'm not going to go through this in detail. Let me go for next slide, and then whenever needed I will be coming back for this. Okay, ME1, ME2, ME3, this is code. Okay, this is code of that particular MTech course. What is that ME1, ME2, ME3 means? As you could check here. Okay, here, yeah. So ME1 implies thermal engineering, ME2 implies mechanical design, that is machine design, ME3 implies manufacturing engineering, and you could see the number of seats: 44 in thermal, 25 in mechanical design, and 25 in manufacturing engineering. And now if you see whether what is the criteria, see, any gate paper, and what is the qualifying degree? This column corresponding to gate paper, and this column corresponding to, as you could see, discipline. Okay, qualifying degree discipline. So if you completed your degree in ME, okay, if you completed your degree in ME, you have 42 seats. Okay, for ME1. ME1 is nothing but thermal engineering, and you can write any gate paper. Any gate paper you can write, which means XE is also included. Okay, now ME2 similarly for mechanical design. If you done mechanical engineering, be in mechanical engineering, then 23 seats are available and you can write any GATE paper including XE. ME3, that is manufacturing engineering. ME, if you did your BTech in mechanical engineering, you can write any GATE paper. Okay. Now, wait. You will be having a confusion, right? That confusion is like identified in this page, which IIT Madras has given in the brochure. As you could see, GATE XE paper. Specifically, they given a column GATE XE paper, and if you are appearing for mechanical engineering, then for ME1, ME2, GATE XE is allowed. Okay, if you write GATE XE, they will recruit you for ME1 and ME2. They will take you for ME1 and ME2, which means thermal engineering and mechanical design. Now, similarly, GATE XE is allowed for ME3 also. Not only for mechanical engineering, okay, not only for mechanical engineering, even for AE, GATE XE paper is allowed. So if you write GATE XE, okay, in IIT Madras, what are the departments you are eligible? Like I am saying that you completed your BE in mechanical engineering, okay, BE should be BE or BTech should be in mechanical engineering, and if you write GATE XE paper, then you are allowed in aerospace and you are allowed in mechanical engineering, and in mechanical all three core branches are allowed. This is one of the very good opportunity. Honestly, IIT Madras is allowing. So if you see what is the overall seat, you could see here the total number of seats. It's like 44, 25, 25. Like two seats they will be giving for something else. Okay, so approximately it is like 80. You keep it approximately 80, and aerospace 14. So approximately 95 seats, okay, are there. Of course, students who write ME, they will also get preference, okay, like students who write ME, they will also be eligible for this. But the thing here is, if you write GATE XE, you will also be eligible to compete with them. Okay, right. Now, so I hope it is clear regarding what is that, regarding IIT Madras. So in IIT Madras, aerospace is accepting, manufacturing, mechanical design, thermal engineering, these four departments are accepting. Okay, right. Now let us go for next one. So next one is IIT Bombay. Of course, IIT Bombay is one of the top institute in India. So let us check this also. Now, as you could see here, okay, so I'm just going directly. I'm just searching for XE, and now biomedical engineering. I'm not concentrating much on biomedical engineering. Okay, so if you want, you can check out the brochure. All right, now see here, XE. So this column corresponding to paper, which paper you are writing GATE. This column corresponding to that degree which you got. Okay. Now, the paper which you write XE, okay, the paper which you write XE, and the degree if you got in mechanical engineering, and the paper if you write XE, you are eligible for ocean engineering, MTech in ocean engineering, okay, in IIT Bombay. So first is ocean engineering, okay, so IIT Bombay allows ocean engineering, they will accept XE scorecard for ocean engineering, okay. Now, energy system and engineering, again you could see here, if you done your degree in mechanical and if you write any discipline which obviously includes XE, okay. So the second department which IIT Bombay accepts was energy system engineering, okay, energy system engineering, okay, right. Now, see, my handwriting was not that much good in this board. Since all the data are, I just need to show you all the proofs, so only I am doing a video like this. Okay, now again you could see environmental science and engineering XE is allowed, and if you done your degree in ME, okay, if you done your degree in ME and if you written XE paper, then you are allowed for environmental science and engineering. Okay, so MTech in environmental science and engineering, that is the third. So 3 degrees until now, ocean engineering, energy system engineering, environmental science and engineering are accepting XE scorecard. Okay, now next you could see here, this is XCH, which is obviously not our thing, right? XCH is not it's not going to be fall under SM, or it's not going to be fall under FM or TD. So let us skip that and we will go for next. And now see, industrial engineering and operation. Everybody knows about placement scenario of industrial engineering and research in IIT Bombay. It's one of the very preferred courses for placements. Okay, and any discipline, IIT Bombay accepts any discipline which includes XC. You can write gate paper of any discipline. Okay, and you need to have a BE or a BTech degree. That's it. So this is very good. This is seriously very good. Industrial engineering and operation research. Okay, so the fourth one is IMOR. Okay, industrial engineering and operation research, a very good department. And a placements, obviously the placements in IIT Bombay, almost for all departments it will be good. Now comes an interesting part. See, mechanical engineering, thermal fluid design and manufacturing. All these three core branches of mechanical engineering is accepting XE paper in IIT Bombay. So XE is allowed because you are allowed to write any gate papers. The thing is, your degree should be mechanical. Others also allowed, automobile engineering, chemical engineering is also allowed, but our ultimate aim of this video is for the students who doing mechanical engineering, who did mechanical engineering and who is going to write XE paper. So if you did mechanical engineering and if you write XE paper in all these three core departments, IIT Bombay accepts. Okay, so the next was manufacturing, design, okay, and fluid mechanics and thermal engineering. Okay, right. So all three core department for mechanical. And now see again, materials, metallurgical and material science. XE is allowed. Okay, so you need BTech degree only, and again XE is allowed. Okay, this is something process engineering. This is material science, MTech in material science. This is MTech in process engineering. Okay, so for this too, XE is allowed. Okay, right. Now I guess that will be our last list. IIT Bombay, as you could see in IIT Bombay, what are all the available options for you? Ocean engineering, energy system, environmental science, IMOR, manufacturing design and FM, material science, and also process engineering. So these many options, these many MTech courses are accepting XC. Many of us doesn't know this. Okay, that is why I just want to do this video separately regarding GATE XC. Okay, benefits of GATE XC for mechanical engineering students. Now we will go for the next famous institute. Actually, this is one of the best institute for research, IISc Bangalore, and there are many students who will be aiming for IISc Bangalore and will be preparing for GATE. See, one thing which I want to say straight away directly, if you are aiming for IISc Bangalore and if you are aiming for core department means again I'm saying about thermal or manufacturing or design. If you are aiming for this three, then XE is not for you. Because IISc Bangalore is not accepting. Okay, IISc Bangalore is not accepting XE for core departments. For core departments, IISc Bangalore is accepting only ME paper. Only ME paper for core departments. But there are some interdisciplinary departments. I'm just going to talk about that. Okay, there is a department called as computational and data science. Okay, so that is accepting, as you could see here, with a valid gate score. That's it. Any discipline gate score. Okay, with a valid gate, that's it. They are not specifying which gate. Okay, they didn't specify whether it should be XEME or anything. So any valid gate score is fine for computational and data science. Climate science, and again this is also an interdisciplinary course. So here, as you could see, okay, BE or BTech in any discipline. BE, BTech can be any discipline, but gate paper with all this. Okay, so which includes XE. So if you write XE, you have an opportunity for getting into this course, MTech in climate science. Now earth science, okay, of course in IISc Bangalore there will be aptitude test and there will be interview process after getting selected also. Okay, after getting selected, you have to go through one aptitude test and also one interview process. Okay, right? Earth Science, that also accepts XC paper. Okay, that's all, that also accepts XC paper, right? Now, nanoscience and engineering, nanoscience and engineering, for any discipline, okay, for any discipline, that also accepts XC paper, okay, in IISc Bangalore. Smart manufacturing, and again, this is also accepting any valid gate score. There is no requirement for specific specific gate score, so it includes XC. So IISc Bangalore is only offering interdisciplinary courses, totally 5: computational and data science, climate science, earth science, nanoscience and engineering, smart manufacturing. So if any of you are interested in any of this course, then you can obviously apply for XC. Sorry, obviously apply for IISc Bangalore through XC. Okay. So IISc, if you are aiming for core department in IISc Bangalore, then no. Okay. So before going into other IITs itself, I am saying it very clearly now itself. Only IIT Bombay and IIT Madras, okay, accepting core departments, like they are accepting gate XC card for core departments. Core department means thermal, design and manufacturing. Only these two are accepting for core departments. The remaining institutes which I am going to show you is also interdisciplinary only. In some colleges, some IITs, they are accepting material science also. They are accepting XE for material science, metallurgy. And we will talk about NITI Mumbai now. Okay, so before going into other IITs, I will talk about NITI Mumbai. Okay, because that is something which was very good, I feel, through XE. See, NITI Mumbai, I don't know how many of you know about this. If you don't know about this, but still if you are a GATE aspirant, but if you know about this NITI Mumbai, okay, if you don't know about NITI Mumbai and if you are still a GATE aspirant, please go to Google, search about NITI Mumbai. Search about NITI Mumbai, go and see the placements. What are the companies which is coming for placements, what is the average pay scale, everything. I'm sure that you will get amused, okay, because this is a college which is going to give you the best payment package which they can give in any other colleges. But the problem here is this is not completely a technical course. This is a management course. Okay, so totally there are 3 courses: PGDIE, PGDMM and PGDPM. All these 3 courses are some kind of a management plus industrial oriented courses. Okay, so it's not completely technical. If you want completely a technical side, then NITI Mumbai is not for you. But if you are comfortable with management plus industrial oriented side, then NITI Mumbai is best for you, and the placements are best, and you will be getting like what I could say, a best salary possible. And now see here, if you have any valid gate score, that is sufficient for NITI Mumbai. Okay, any valid gate score, which means XC is also allowed. Okay, gate XC is also allowed. So if you write gate XE, then you have you will be having an opportunity for getting into interview process. See, listen, one thing which I want to make it very clear, for NITI Mumbai there is personal interview and GD. Okay, that plays a very important role in NITI Mumbai, because as I said, the course includes management and also technical. It's not completely technical course. So they will check your soft skill. So you need to develop your personal, that is soft skill, and also your GD skills. Okay, so GATE XE, they will be accepting it. After this, you need to go through you need to go through some personal interview and also GD. Okay, so one good thing is NITI Mumbai is accepting GATE XE. So if you write GATE XE, if there are students who will be aiming only for NITI, okay, so I am talking about those students. If you are aiming only for NITI Mumbai, then it's very easy for you to secure a good rank in XE instead of focusing much on ME. If you are aiming only for NITI Mumbai, then instead of writing ME, you can write XE and you can get into NITI. But as I already said, you need to go through these 2 things: soft skills okay, personal interview and also GD. Okay, all those details will be available in Google. You can just check out that. But please, if you don't know about NITI, please search it and understand. Okay, right? Okay, let me go for IIT Kharagpur. Okay, so in IIT Kharagpur, what are all the courses which they are accepting? Listen. GATE XEG, that is not our, it's something like related to food course, something Excel. No. XE, yeah, XE here it is. At Science, System and Technology, they are accepting XE. Fine. Okay, and what about the qualifying discipline? AE, ME is there, right? See, if you qualified in ME and if you write any one of this, XEB or XEH or XEE, then you are eligible for H Science, H System Science and Technology. Okay, right now again here see XEE, XEC and XEB, cryogenic engineering, and if you done your BTech in ME. So IIT Kharagpur is also not accepting, no, it is there. IIT Kharagpur is also not accepting core department, that is for sure. Interdisciplinary department they are accepting. Okay, right. See here, XEC and XEF. XEC, it obviously means that you should have written material science for getting into material science engineering. Okay. XEC again, you should have written material science for getting into metallurgical and materials engineering. Okay. And ocean engineering and naval architecture, you are allowed. Okay, so XEB, XED and XEE. Okay, so if you write fluid mechanics or thermodynamics also, okay, so you will be allowed for ocean engineering. Okay, so and your degree ME is there. Okay, so if you complete your B or BTech in ME mechanical engineering, you are allowed. Okay, and now again this quality and reliability engineering, but it has to be XEC and XED only. Okay, so here fluid mechanics and what is that, thermodynamics is not there. XEC and XED only, and of course ME is there. Okay, your qualifying degree is ME, your gate paper will be XEC and XED, and this is also XEC, which implies material science. So most of our mechanical students won't write material science, I'm sure about that. Okay, that's it in IIT Kharagpur. Okay, other IIT here, this is IIT Roorkee. Okay, what IIT Roorkee is, so first one is hydro renewable energy. If your gate paper is XC and if your qualifying degree is mechanical, so this is accepting. Okay, and next XE is not there. Let us check this page. ECCS, here it is. Okay, so material engineering and mechanical, BE and BTech in mechanical engineering, they are accepting it. Okay, so this is the second department, second course, and even in industrial metallurgy also, so 3 courses. Okay, hydro renewable energy, material science and industrial metallurgy. Okay, and there is nothing here. So here there was another XE, disaster mitigation and management. Okay, so of course mechanical engineering, B in mechanical engineering, and if you write XE paper, this is not there. Biotechnology, obviously biotechnology mechanical students won't be interested in. Polymer science, mostly polymer science, mechanical engineering is there. If you are interested, you can try it out. B, if your bachelor's degree is mechanical, and if you write XC, still they are accepting for polymer science also. Okay, so that's about IIT Roorkee. Next is IIT Hyderabad, and I believe this will be the last one. There are some other IITs, but I'm not going through all the IITs, as I already said to you. Okay, I'm not going to go through all the IITs. I'm just checking some top IITs. Okay, so in IIT Hyderabad, energy science and technology. Okay, again it's an interdisciplinary course, and you need a valid GATE score. That's it. They are not saying the GATE subject. Here it is: XEC, XEE, XEF. So it includes thermodynamics. If you return thermodynamics, XE in thermodynamics, then obviously you are eligible for this. Okay, right. Next is material science and material science and metallurgy. So we will see this. This will be our last one. Already the time of this video has been too much. Right. So valid GATE score required in MT, ME, PI or XE. XE is there. Okay, XE is there here. So for material science and metallurgy engineering also, this is self-sponsored, this is not our thing. So I hope that you understood a clear-cut idea about all these details, right? So finally, what is the advantage of this GATE XE? Overall advantage from my point of view, okay, there are 3 advantages: IIT Bombay, IIT Madras, NITI Mumbai. Okay, so if you are a GATE aspirant and if you are aiming for core department either in IIT Bombay or IIT Madras, okay, that is one, and or else if you are aiming for NITI Mumbai, okay. So if you aim for any one of this, okay, if you aim for any one of this, then ultimately my suggestion will be go for GATE XE. Okay, ultimately my suggestion will be go for GATE XE. And now as I already made a video on that, okay, but anyways, let me give you a short intro. So in Endurance Engineering Academy, we are launching a course on GATE XE. XE course is getting launched from in Endurance Engineering Academy. Okay, so the course covers XEA, XEB, and XEE, which means mathematics, fluid mechanics, and thermodynamics. Okay, so the course covers these 3 topics. So if you are writing GATE XE in any of these 3 topics, then this course will be for you. Okay, so in description you will find out the link. You can just go and check out that. And the next thing is like the complete detail of this course has been made as a video separately. Okay, I made a video on that XE course. Okay, XE video course, a video is there. You can check out that video. I will add that video in this description box itself.